This is the Luton Mall. First to the Galaxy Entertainment Centre. Now to the first lift in Luton. I've never seen these buttons before. This is an unusual lift. Not very good logic. And it also has a slow lift. It might be a counterweight hydraulic because it's slower going down than going up. Despite being an entertainment centre and cinema, the Galaxy's car park is only open Monday to Friday. Now to the family theatre, which is the council-owned theatre and library thing, which has generics. Oh, it's not hydraulic. Not as slow as I thought it would be.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
This is the shopping centre, which has Schindler lifts. I'm pretty sure that the shopping centre was recently rebuilt. No pseudo floors. And this is the view over St George's Square. Now to the next lifts. These are the main lifts. There's core 15 on the outside of this. And they are cones, modernised by generic, with buttons that I've never seen before. I think they're cone zone buttons. The cone modernised by generic. It's quite fast.
Lower ground, street level. Doors opening.
TK Maxx has a Schindler. Two's the exit into the rest of the shopping centre, not the exit to the street, so that's wrong. Oh. Wilkinson's has a goods lift with a broken positioning system and a generic. Apollo maintained by Pickerings. Pickerings are not maintaining this lift very well. I don't get my lift maintained by Pickerings because the indicator doesn't work. Pickerings. They're not maintaining the lift very well. H&M has an ecodisc. It only indicates what direction the lift is moving in, but it doesn't indicate the floor. Door close doesn't work. I bet that underneath this posh KSS 520 is a rubbish generic button chassis. Primark's Gen 2 is broken. The goods lifts are actually being operated by an operator, and I don't like lifts that are operated by an operator unless they're really special, like really old, pre-World War I lifts. This is McDonald's in a really run-down part of the shopping centre where the escalators don't work. Now up to the car park in some modernised cones. With all the
Please mind the door.
The unique
Door
buttons.
closing.
Which I think I've seen them before, but they're quite rare.
Going up.
For some reason this feels a bit slower
Car park 5 and
than other ones, but not much.
doors.
That's a generic chime. I think it's an international lift equipment chime. This area looks spooky, but I don't know how to get in. And now into boots. There is. I'm thinking this could be a modernised Furs. It is. I think this is a modernised Evans. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking this is a modernised Evans. The buttons don't seem to lit up very well. W.H. Smith. An Evans hydraulic with a rather weird chime. I'm absolutely amazed that my camera battery has come this far. They call this lower level now. An Evans hydraulic. Rather weird chime. Look how slender and cheap and flimsy looking this hydraulic ram is. It's a glass cone.
Doors closing.